ever wondered what it takes to truly dominate a fantastical world. And power comes in many forms. Rimuru's journey is filled with encounters with incredible races, each possessing unique strengths and abilities. And but some are undeniably more powerful than others. And let's dive into a ranking of the 10 strongest species in the universe, from formidable warriors to beings of near divine power. At number 10, we have the Insectors. Hidden within the demon realm, these insectoid warriors boast incredible physical strength and a unique exoskeleton infused with metal. This natural armor provides exceptional defense, making them incredibly difficult to defeat. If they consistently, before saving, without possible, then I would be able to see if they're, and now it would go back to this, and then they can't stay with, and born from the very essence of nature, these beings wield pure magical power. And their control over elements like water, air, earth, and fire is unmatched, and their magic bypasses conventional defenses, making them a difficult foe. However, they are vulnerable to opposing elements. The Phantoms claim the 8th spot. Once angels, they were corrupted by dark magic, gaining immense power. Their holy abilities merged with shadowy forces, creating formidable warriors. Though lacking a physical body, they can possess or create new forms, making them a dangerous force. At number 7, we find the angels. These divine beings maintain order with inherent strength and holy abilities. Their true power lies in the Armageddon ability, summoning millions of soldiers to battle, to battle a virtually unbeatable army. Can be deployed in seconds. Demons secure the 6th position. Born from the shadows of angelic magic, these creatures are autonomous and possess a natural ego. Their dark magic is particularly effective against angels, making them a formidable opponent. Particularly, their longevity allows them to grow in power over time. Monas take the 5th spot. These synthetic life forms are born from ultimate stills, gaining sentience and control over reality itself. They can manipulate skills and even erase beings. Their power is immense, but they often require a partner to fully manifest their abilities. The true giants claim the 4th position. These towering beings possess incredible physical strength and resilience. Their magic nullifier skill renders them immune to magic, making them nearly unstoppable. They are true tanks, capable of weathering any attack. Dragonoids secure the 3rd spot. These rare beings are the offspring of true dragons and humans, inheriting the best qualities of both races. They possess immense magical power and a latent potential that surpasses even their dragon ancestors. True dragons claim the second position, and once considered the epitome of power. These majestic creatures are virtually immortal and wield immense magical abilities. Their cores contain the purest magic in existence, uh, granting them unparalleled power. And finally, at number 1, we have the ultimate slime, Rimuru. Through absorption and evolution, Rimuru surpassed even the creators of the universe, and becoming a being of pure energy and information, he achieved a power level beyond comprehension. So there you have it, a ranking of the 10 strongest species in VOD. And, it just goes to show, in a world of powerful beings, sometimes the biggest underdog can become the ultimate champion. Speaking of champions, you know what else is a champion? Hitting that like button and subscribing for more content. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time,